Is your mixer tap constantly dripping, even when it's turned off? A worn cartridge is often the cause. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the cartridge inside a mixer tap, remove the old cartridge, install the new one correctly, and stop the leak. Welcome to Kitchen Faucet. Mixer taps can vary slightly depending on the manufacturer and model. Let's get started. Step 1. Prep. Start by removing the hot and cold indicator cap to access the retaining screw underneath. Use an Allen key to loosen the screw just enough to remove the handle. You don't need to take the screw out completely. Once the handle is off, unscrew the upper cap by turning it counterclockwise. Then use an adjustable wrench to loosen the collar and finish removing it by hand. With the collar removed, you'll have access to the cartridge. Step 2. Remove. Pull the old cartridge straight out of the faucet body. Take a look at the seals on the bottom of the cartridge. These are typically what caused the leak, but instead of replacing only the seals, replace the entire cartridge. Take the old cartridge with you to a hardware or plumbing supply store to get the correct replacement. Step 3. Install. Before installing the new cartridge, make sure it's aligned correctly. Locate the two lugs on the bottom of the cartridge and line them up with the matching holes inside the faucet body. Once it's properly seated, reinstall the collar and tighten it with the adjustable wrench. Then thread the upper cap back into place, reinstall the handle, tighten the Allen screw, and snap the hot and cold indicator cap back on, with the red side facing hot and the blue side facing cold. That's how to replace a leaking mixer tap cartridge and stop the drip. Thanks for watching Kitchen Faucet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.